right thigh and the left arm rather over the ear, forward and over. Now, it binds a lot here, but if you want it, you can take it for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's frame the front foot. You can press back either into down dog or step back, drop knees lower. Inhale into up dog or cobra. And as we exhale, we can all meet in child's pose and just take a little breather. One of the most important things in life, that I've learned is just knowing when to take a break. It's really easy just to keep going and going and going, but eventually if we continue to do that, our cup kind of gets a little empty. And the beautiful thing is that yoga just kind of allows us to refill that cup. Is really the beautiful thing about it. It doesn't matter if you do the practice perfectly. What matters is that you just try. I've noticed that in trying, that's very liberating. So just keep trying your best and doing the best you can today with what you have. When we're finished, we'll curl the toes, lift the hips, and come into downward facing dog again. Then we'll get to the left side. So stepping the left foot forward, we'll inhale, breathe the arms overhead for warrior 1. Good. You notice the pelvis is square. Think of that right hip kind of shifting forward, left shifting back. And if you ever feel a little wobbly in a posture, think of stepping wider. Whatever that means for you, it could bring the left foot more to the left or the right foot more to the right. But just kind of find a space that feels right for you so you can square your pelvis. Now we'll find our breath again, making sure we're looking at those hands. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, just open to the right of your mat, your warrior 2 right side. Reaching from those fingertips, everything looks really nice, drishti right over the hand. We're perfect. As you inhale, straighten the front leg. As you exhale, reach far forward and down for triangle pose or Utthita Trikonasana. Thank you, Candace. I should have moved it for you. For 1, just breathe in and breathe out. Remember, you can always bend the left knee. 2, there's no rule that says you can't. 3, and I actually find that it makes it a lot easier coming out of triangle. 4, if you do bend the knee. And 5, so maybe a slight bend, inhale up. As you exhale, warrior 2, arms to a T. And again, one of the assists I like to give here is just kind of pull this right pelvis right and this left thigh left. And just make sure that we're really into the posture. And it feels very dynamic, so things start to kick in.